In the name of God. Hello guys, it's our YouTube channel Binary Option Smart. Please subscribe us. So in this session I wanna teach you how to work with time. Somebody tell me on Telegram, I want to develop a bot with time that it's open trade in seconds number 0, and if you want open your trade immediately when candle open, for example in some, yes, this market is open in 1 minute candle. If you want the bot open trade immediately on opening the candle, for example now the time is 38 until a new candle opens, you want bot opens trade immediately on open candle. You have to work with time. Let's show you here in utility and in time. You have to work with seconds since epoch. As you see here, we have a bottom learn more. If you click on it, there is prepared elements here that we can use in our bot. As you see, let me show you on a description. You might need it when you want to repeat an actions after certain amount of time. The example below, we start trading after 30 or more seconds after 1 minute candle was start. Let me show you on a chart. As you see here, we have a candle that candles in interval time frame define, and default candle interval is 1 minute. So there is a problem here and there is a mistake here. We have to change it because we don't need the open of candles, just we need list of candle. There is no need of open of candle. So let me find it. This candle list with interval time frame, we don't need it because it has open and we don't need the open. And set open time, read open time from where? From this. Open time of candle is important for us, and set it on open time variable. And there is a mistake here. We have to minus the seconds since epoch minus open time here and set it to the time since candle open. This return the market time, and this is open time of our candle. We minus them together and set it to time since candle open. And if time since candle open, for example upper than 30, or each thing you want, for example I want immediately open on opening candle, I have to set it to the 1 in 1 second, and when here go to the 1 or 0 but open trend. But we have to insert it on block number 2, and for example the purchase price. So let me remove it and check it, everything is okay. Relative 50, rise and fall, everything is okay. Let's remove trade again and I run. Please see this second, if it's go to the zero but has to open trade but doesn't open trade because we have an error, given candle is not valid. Let me check on builder. Let's check what's happened. Set the candles list within the time. From here I think time and everything is okay. Let me check it and back. I find the problem is here, the candle list with interval, which candle we need open time. We can change it or add something else. For example, let me show you, I need only this one. Let's remove it. The last candle we need, and we have to create a new variable, last candle. Last candle. Yes, and we have to change it to the last candle. In analysis, find it, yes, in candle list, get from end, or we can find the last one in this candle, last candle, and we need open time from last candle, not the list of candle. There is not important for us, the last candle and the open time of last candle. Let me find here, let me change it here, and the second is important for us. As you see, we have to, oh, I forgot to change it, open candle under, we only want bot open trade in seconds number 0 and seconds number 1. Let's start the bot and chart, see the seconds here and here. When new candle opens, bot must open, yes, immediately in open the candle, bot opens its trade, and in seconds. You can change by your strategy this time. For example, you want in seconds 30 but open the trade, you have to use another if here. Let's remove this. You have to set only in 30 seconds, so you can, for example, 29 under upper than 29 and under 33. In these 3 seconds, 29, 30 and 31 seconds, bot must open the trade. Let's check it. Upper than 29 and under than 33. Let's see here the seconds, and here you can see but doesn't open trade. Why? Oh, seconds. I place it interchangeably. Yes, under 31 and upper 29. Again, watch this. Wait for 29 number or 3. Why we use this? Because when an open trade close, it's maybe in, for example, close in 31 seconds, and the other trade, the trade after this trade, doesn't open. So we have to, as you see here, when the seconds in 29, as you see here, the bot open trade. I was speaking about these 2 number of seconds. If you set it to this, maybe bot doesn't open trade in trade number 2 and 3 and after martingale. Let me split and enable this. If you, for example, set it to 30 in trade number 2, number 3 and after martingale, maybe you lose and you missed some candles. It's better than you use, for example, 2 or 3 seconds here against a certain number in these candles. So there is an other thing here. Some people ask me on Telegram, when we want bot open trade after a trade with delay, we can use this run after and use this. For example, after 10 seconds open trade again. Let's do it here and disable block or dead block. As you see, when first trade, as you see here, trade finished, but wait until 10 seconds and trade again, run. As you see here, yes, after 10 seconds but open trades. It's our YouTube channel, Binary Option Smart. Please subscribe us. If you have any question, you can ask on comments. Thank you for watching.